you for the old me, need you for my fantasy, need you to remind me where I come from. Can you remind me of my gravity? Grind me when I'm tumbling, spiraling, plummeting down to earth. You keep me down to earth. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Errol. Thank you for clicking on me to watch, okay? And as you can see, I got on some cute hair. She look good, baby. She look good. If you want to know where I got this from, click on my last video, okay? And yes, I'm in the same outfit as the video with this hair, because I'm filming in one night. It is what it is. This is, where's the name? The Trendy Wig Innovative Full Cap Wig by Bobby Boss. She real cute, real cute. Full cap wig. I'ma do, well, you gonna see what I'ma do. Take her for a spin. She came with the little paper in there. And I'm gonna take that off. And she got a little stock card in here. She real cute. Real cute, real cute. She's in 1B. Hopefully she's big head friendly. She has the one comb in the top and one comb in the back with the tag. And adjustable straps if you have a small head, but I don't. I have a very large head. I'm gonna undo these adjustable straps. I cut the adjustable straps because I hate them. They're no use to me with a big head. I don't need them, just don't. And we gonna slip her on. She doesn't look thin at all. She looks like a nice density. So shouldn't be no problem. Okay, she's big head friendly. Oh shit, I like this. Like, hello. Okay, I'm gonna do some bangs because this is supposed to be a half wig. I mean, she real cute, and I like how the hair is already falling in my face because you're gonna see what I'm gonna do. I could trim it a little bit more, but honestly I don't really want to. It's bouncy. This is giving me like, if it was like brushed out, it would be scissor vibes. You feel me? It would be scissor vibes, but I don't like brushing out my curly hair, my curly synthetic hair, because you can't, you know, re-wet it and then it'll tighten up like human hair. You see, just that little finger, just that right there, got me like, okay. Man, this cute as fuck. Okay. Call me on my bullshit. A lot of men say my booty getting bigger even if it ain't. I'm wearing this to school, to class. They're gonna be like, what happened? Well, the white folks is, the black girl gonna know what's up, of course. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, bitch. This is cute. I don't care what nobody say, this cute. And then I could wear it up too. Oh, this cute. Okay, so on the hair, synthetic hair, very soft and silky. It's not too plastic looking. I love it. and it's not too long. It's not thin. I don't feel any tracks. Like, you know how it's really thin, you can feel the tracks being showed. Can't feel that. I'm gonna show you the left side. Left side here. I mean, right side. Right side here. Turn it around. Left side. Lip gloss and long hair. But how do y'all like it though? And this is a half wig, and I'm not using a comb because that'll take out your hair. That'll like make your hair break off because of all the tension. So I'm not using the comb up top or in the back. Gotta save the follicles. Save the follicles. It makes my face look so cute and small. Oh my god. That is pretty much it for this video. It was a really quick video to film. Did it in one take. Hallelujah. And yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know what to do. I'm small, but I'm growing, you feel me? See that highlight popping. Thank you guys for watching my channel once again. Thank y'all for sticking with me. I'm growing. I think I'm at like 40 something subscribers. Give me a few more, then I'll hit 50 something, you know. I'm really hyped. Okay, but yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, I know I already said it, I'm gonna say it again. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you have any questions about the hair, comment down below. The link to it will be in the description box. And yeah, I'm out this bitch.